How to integrate Cardinity into WooCommerce. Download the Cardinity plugin from WordPress Marketplace. Link can be found in the description. Next, go to the main directory of your WordPress website. Navigate to WP Content, then Plugins. Create a new folder named Cardinity. Extract the downloaded zip file. Copy the extracted folder's contents. Go back to the created Cardinity folder in the main directory of your WordPress website and paste the copied plugin's contents. Log into your WordPress admin panel. Go to Plugins, Installed Plugins. Click Activate under the Cardinity Payment Gateway plugin. Next is Configuration. Go to WooCommerce Settings. Navigate to Payments tab. Make sure the Cardinity Payment Gateway method is enabled. On the right, click on Manage. Enter your consumer key and consumer secret, which can be found at your Cardinity account. Save the changes to complete the installation. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by phone, email, or through our website.